Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our Adventure Lovers show. We are here with a visitor with us. He is Turbashu Jaswal.
Yes, my name is Turbashu Jaswal.
Okay.
I am from Allahabad, India.
Okay.
The name of my state is Uttar Pradesh, UP. Many people know. And the nearest famous city to my place is Varanasi.
Okay.
It's very famous in India.
Oh, great. I traveled in Uttar Pradesh during I am traveling to Uttarakhand.
Okay.
So I heard and saw the Varanasi.
Mhm.
So it's awesome.
Oh, you been to Varanasi?
No, I am not
You heard
traveled.
about it?
I just saw.
Okay.
For a while. Yeah. So how much days you were traveling in Bangladesh?
Around 30 days.
Okay.
Around 30 days, yes.
30.
It's already been 10 days.
10 days gone.
Yes, already been 10
So
days.
yeah, where you traveled already?
I explored entire
Details.
Dhaka.
Okay.
After that, I explored Chittagong,
Okay.
Cox's Bazar, and now I am
Right.
Ukia.
Okay. Right. Thank you. So in Dhaka, you maybe you got a host.
Yeah, in entire Bangladesh, I'm staying with Couchsurfer. I'm not taking hotel anywhere.
Okay, great.
In very rare situation, like
So
if I don't get a
for,
host.
for my viewers, you can say something about surfing a little bit.
Okay.
It will be helpful for all.
For Couchsurfing, to be honest, I've traveled around 30 country, and this is my Bangladesh is my 31st country.
Okay, 35.
Without
31.
31st, yeah, 31.
Okay, 31st. Great.
Without Couchsurfing, I cannot imagine my travel
Great.
because as a tourist, when you visit a country,
Yes.
like you just see some tourist spot,
Okay.
popular places, and come back.
Yes.
But you don't know the country, you don't feel the country, you don't know the culture of the country, don't know the people of country,
Okay.
don't know the food of the country. But by through couchsurfing,
Yes.
when you visit a country and you stay with the local, you know the real country, the culture of the country, the language, its people, their daily life, their local life, their food. Like you stay and travel the country like a local, not as a tourist.
Okay.
So Couchsurfing is the hospitality exchange program. Using Couchsurfing, you can stay with the local and enjoy the local life.
Okay. You also met with me in Couchsurfing.
Yes,
Great.
we guys met through Couchsurfing around 15 days ago,
Okay.
and from last 15 days we are in continuously in touch. Today we met in Ukia.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm happy to hosting you. And viewers, we will give the link of the Couchsurfing app in the description below. You can check this app and you can explore the app.
So far I've traveled 31 countries,
Okay.
but I never vlogged my trip.
Great.
But after my many friends said that you travel a lot, you should vlog your trip, I recently started my YouTube channel
Yes.
from last trip
Recently.
in 2020.
So you are a YouTube blogger.
Yeah, now I'm vlogger.
We can call you.
I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
The name of my channel is Nomadic Tour.
Okay.
You can find the link in the description.
Okay. Thank you.
And right now you can watch my Egypt series, Jordan series, Israel Palestine series, Serbia series, and soon I will publish my
The other.
Bangladesh series.
Bangladesh travel. Okay. So, what's your opinion about Bengali people's foods and cultures? In a nutshell, you can just tell to my viewers.
To be honest, before coming to Bangladesh, I didn't imagine that I will meet so lovely, so friendly, so hospitable. It's my 11th day. I think I arrived here on March 16. 16. It's my 11th day. I've met so many lovely people, so many amazing and friendly people that I cannot describe. Like to be honest, I'm in love with this country. After 10 year, 20 year, I will not remember what beautiful places I saw in the country, but I will remember whom I met.
The peoples.
I will remember the people, how they treated me,
Yeah.
how I experienced my life with them.
It's a great honor for us, actually.
Yes, to be
Thank
honest,
you.
yes.
So, the
So
cultures and the foods.
culture, to be honest, is very similar to India.
Okay.
If we compare India and Bangladesh, I think even we look similar.
Okay.
Culture is very similar to India. Our language, Indian, Bengali, right from the Sanskrit language. Many words are same.
Yeah.
I can understand little bit of Bengali, and I think around 50% Bengali people can understand Hindi.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. We understand mostly, and few people can talk Hindi a little bit.
No.
Who are traveling in the India and who are watching Hindi movies or songs.
Yeah, many people learn Hindi after watching Hindi movies.
Okay, thank you. So, one little question that what thing you like mostly at Bangladesh? You already said I saw, but remarkably.
To be honest, the main reason for me initially, but not I have many reasons. Initially, what I thought, I should experience the country with the most densely populated.
Okay.
Then what I thought, Dhaka is also the most densely populated city in the world.
Yeah.
When I visited Dhaka, I thought that it will be very chaotic. But to be honest, the population and the traffic, that is the charm of Dhaka.
Wow.
To be honest, I really
You liked it.
I really enjoyed it, liked it.
Okay.
The people, the traffic,
It's
the road, everything.
It's a positive sign.
And
of you
this is
that,
this is what make the Dhaka unique.
Wow, great.
To be honest.
So many people also dislike for this cause, but
For
it's a
me,
positive
something
thing.
different from the rest of the world, and
Yeah, of
I
course.
really liked it. I would love to visit Dhaka again and again.
Wow, great. It's great to hear. So, what thing you didn't like at Bangladesh? Though this is a tough question, but you can mention anything that we can change or we can develop ourselves.
Trying to be honest, no matter what country you visit, either good any country,
Okay.
you will always find good and bad people in every country.
Yeah, of course, that's true.
So if I say that 99% people are very good in Bangladesh, 1% people are not that good, I would say
Yeah.
that even happens in India also, in any country.
Yeah, of course.
That I would say, apart from that, what I didn't like in Bangladesh, I don't think so. There's anything which I didn't like in Bangladesh
Specifically.
specifically. Yeah,
Okay.
to be honest,
Thank you. So, how many more countries you traveled? You already said so.
I traveled 31 countries.
31.
I'm planning to travel at least
Can you mention
100
any-
countries.
Some names. Can you mention some names you traveled already in worldwide?
My first country was Austria in Schengen,
Austria.
Schengen zone.
Oh, great.
Thailand with friends.
Thailand.
After that, incidentally, I traveled solo to Turkey,
Turkey.
UK. In UK, I traveled England, Scotland, Ireland,
Scotland. Yeah.
Northern Ireland, and Wales. It was incidentally my solo trip
Oh, great.
because the visa of my friend got cancelled.
Okay.
And after that, like traveling is my life.
Wow.
I enjoyed so much traveling solo. After that, I'm continuously traveling. I travel Russia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, Taiwan, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Egypt, Jordan, Israel, Palestine, Sri Lanka, UAE, Oman, Serbia, and numerous countries.
So far, I know that you already left your job due to travel purpose.
Yes,
That's a great.
it's not possible to do a full-time job and travel
Yeah.
continuously. Now I do freelance work.
Okay.
I earn and save a little bit, and I travel in a very budget.
Actually,
In budget.
traveling is a passion.
Traveling at you learn a lot after traveling.
Yeah, of course. So, say something about solo traveling. What you have done already and doing regularly. It will be helpful.
For anybody who has not done solo traveling, in the starting you will be scared.
Yeah, first time.
Even I was very scared whether I should go or not.
Yeah.
But I would definitely suggest everyone, please at least do one solo travel in life. That will definitely change your life. After that, you will love traveling, and I'm sure you will continue doing traveling throughout your life. I challenge you.
Yeah.
But one should definitely do one time solo traveling.
Need to take
Yeah.
some time.
In this way, you can understand yourself. You will learn patience.
Okay.
You will not be dependent on anyone else. You can
Yeah.
even spend your
No
life alone.
dependency, actually.
No
No
dependence on
dependency.
anyone. Out of 31 countries, I've traveled around 28 countries solo.
Okay. So you already said so, but after all, I'm saying that any points or some points you can you mention for the solo traveling?
For solo traveling,
Some points.
I would say, guys, please हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगा भाई थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि थोड़ा ये इमोशनल टाइप का आप बिल्कुल आपको डरना नहीं, जो डर रहता है ना आप वो बिल्कुल डर मगर अपने कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर निकलो. लोग कंफर्ट जोन की वजह से बाहर निकल नहीं पाते, ट्रैवल नहीं करते तो ग्रुप में करते हैं. अब एक बाहर निकलो कंफर्ट जोन, आप बेचारा अकेले ट्रैवल नहीं करते हो, ये चीज़ आपके लिए भी है. आप बाहर निकलो कंफर्ट जोन से, ट्रैवल करो सोलो. आपने एक या दो ट्रिप कर ली ना, आपको लाइफ अपनी बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट लगने लगेगी. स्टार्टिंग में डर है, फिर डर खत्म हो जाता है, फिर आप कुछ भी लाइफ में कर सकते हो. नॉट ओनली ट्रैवलिंग, आप बहुत चीज़ें लाइफ में अकेले कर सकते हो जो आप पहले करने से डरते थे.
Okay. So many people talking about the huge costing of world traveling due to money problems.
Money
so
problem.
many can't go for world traveling. So what's your opinion about this matter? Do someone need huge money to travel the world? What's your opinion?
To be honest, if you are a real traveler,
Okay.
then money will never be a matter. If you're a real traveler and if you really want to travel,
Yes.
then money will not be a matter. I have many friends who have backpack travel for a year
Year.
without spending a penny. I have many friends. Some are 30 years old, some are 18 years old.
Okay. 18 years.
Yes,
Yes.
I have some. They are not spending any money. They are hitchhiking.
Okay. Hitchhiking. Yes.
To be honest, traveling consists 3 parts.
Okay.
One is accommodation,
Accommodation and.
second is food,
Okay.
and third is transportation.
Okay.
For accommodation, you can do couch surfing.
Yeah.
If you don't get couch surfing, you can
Food is also.
you can
covered.
use tent.
Okay.
For transportation, you can do hitchhiking.
Yes.
For food, that's you have to spend. To be honest, you don't have to be dependent on someone else.
Yeah.
But to reduce the cost, you can cook your own food. It will
Dry foods.
You can dry food. It will reduce the cost of fooding to a very less extent.
Okay.
You can travel very, very less. So I will give you an example. I traveled Egypt for 14 days,
Okay.
and I spent just 13,000 rupees.
13,000.
Israel,
Okay.
one of the world most expensive country.
Yeah. Yeah.
I traveled there for 10 days and did couch surfing for all 10 days, and I spent just 6,000 rupees for
Right.
10 days.
Sounds great. So, say something for viewers of my channel Adventure Lovers BD. Just something.
मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहूँगा, चाहे बांग्लादेश हो चाहे इंडिया हो, इवन शायद पाकिस्तान भी हो, हम लोग कल्चर बहुत सिमिलर है, सब कुछ हम लोग एक ही जैसा है.
Yes, looks similar.
अभी भी लोग ट्रैवल को उतना प्रेफरेंस नहीं देते हैं.
Okay.
दे गिव प्रेफरेंस टू देयर जॉब, देयर लाइफ, देयर फैमिली.
Okay.
ट्रैवल में लोग साल में एक बार गए, घूम के आ गए वापस. मैं तो यही कहूँगा भाई, ट्रैवल आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करो, तभी आप इस दुनिया के बारे में जान पाओगे. लाइफ इज़ वेरी स्मॉल. लाइफ कितनी जल्दी आधी लाइफ ख़त्म हो चुकी है पता नहीं चला है. अब वो भी कब पूरी ख़त्म होगी पता नहीं चलेगा. मैं तो यही करूँगा भाई, पैसे तो भाई बाद में आ जाएंगे, बट जो टाइम है आपका लाइफ दोबारा नहीं आने वाला है.
Never will come.
जितना हो सकता है आप ट्रैवल करो, तभी आप दुनिया के बारे में जानोगे, तभी आपकी थिंकिंग ब्रॉड होगी, आप तभी आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ेगी. क्योंकि आपको ट्रैवलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ सिखाएगा. मैं लाइफ में कुछ भी अकेले कर सकता हूँ, कहीं भी जा सकता हूँ भाई. मैं एकदम टेंशन फ्री हो चुका हूँ, फियरलेस हो चुका हूँ. आई कैन डू एनीथिंग इन माई लाइफ
Yes.
एंड आई डोंट केयर फॉर एनीथिंग.
So you were talking about hitchhiking.
Yes.
It's like new word.
Yeah.
Someone else.
In last 11 days, I tried 2 days for hitchhiking in Bangladesh.
Okay.
First time I tried hitchhiking from Sonargaon to Dhaka. मुझे लगा शायद I will not get the lift. I got the lift in just 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes. It was very unexpected.
Yeah.
Second time I was trying to hitchhike from Dhaka to Chittagong. I was very sure that I will get the lift in 1 hour, but I didn't get the lift. Then I had to take the bus and come back to Chittagong.
Great.
So, life is very unexpected. Same travel is also very unexpected. हिचाइकिंग से पैसा बचा सकते हो. बहुत सी कंट्रीज है विच आर हिचाइकिंग फ्रेंडली. यू विल गेट अ हिचाइकिंग लिफ्ट इन 5 minutes.
If the Bangladesh is friendly about hitchhiking.
In Bangladesh, people don't know. In Bangladesh, people don't know about hitchhiking. बहुत ही कम लोग, there are very less people who know about hitchhiking. Even many people came and told me, please don't hitchhike, because people will not stop the car because they don't know the concept of hitchhiking.
Yeah.
But I hitchhiked in Jordan 2 times. In both the times, I got the lift in 2 minutes.
Okay.
It's a very hitchhiking friendly country.
Jordan.
Yeah, there are many countries which are hitchhiking friendly, especially the ex-USSR countries.
Okay.
They're very hitchhiking friendly. You will get the lift in just 5 minutes. Even in India, hitchhiking, people understand now hitchhiking. You can get the lift in India also very easily.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. So thank you to Bashu Jashwal
Thank you so much, Sam bhai.
for your time.
Thank you so much, Sam bhai, for hosting me in
Thank you.
Okia, for inviting me to your house. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. I'm very much happy to get you in my home for one day. It's
I know
great for
it's very less time, but still we are spending some time together, and I feel honored to be Dr. Sam's guest in Okia.
Thank you.